I don't have to tell you, summer is here and it is hot, and many of us find that heat really annoying, but it also can be deadly. So joining us now to talk more about the dangers of all the heat and humidity is Dr. Marco Santiano. We are here at the emergency room at Fruitville. That is actually an extension of the Lakewood Ranch Medical Center, right?
That's correct.
Talk to me, the real dangers of the heat.
Yeah, so there's different kind of levels of the danger. The initial level is heat exhaustion. Everyone's probably felt that before. A little tired, just don't feel well, just feel overheated. Before you get to that heat stroke, that's kind of that heat exhaustion. The heat stroke's the one you got to worry about. That's where people stop sweating, get real altered, confused. Temperatures can go up to 105, 106 degrees. Just that's where the emergency comes in. That's where you need to seek immediate care.
We can't get out of the heat unless you literally get out of the heat in Florida. It's going to be hot everywhere. How do you prepare your body for spending any time outside, whether you're exercising or going to the beach or working?
So the big thing is hydration. I mean, throughout the day, even if it's just small amounts throughout the day, that's going to be the big key. And then when you do feel any of those symptoms, just trying to stay cool, stay in the shade, that kind of stuff will help prevent you from coming to see us.
How do you know you're hydrated enough?
So when you start to feel thirsty, you're actually behind.
Oh,
so
really?
You want to stay on top of it. Yeah. So a little bit throughout the day is going to be the key. Once you start feeling thirsty, you can be up to about 1 liter behind. So a little bit throughout the day is kind of going to be beneficial.
We want everyone to be safe and stuff, but there are some certain red flags that people need to look out for when it comes for looking for those signs of heat exhaustion, heat stroke. I want you to take me and show me a place that I don't want any of you to end up this summer, and that's inside one of the emergency rooms. Come on, doctor. Doctor, with our partnership, we want to keep people safe on the Sun Coast. We don't want to, stress anybody out or scare them. We want to inform them. So give people the big red flags, again, the specifics when it comes to heat exhaustion, heat stroke, and those symptoms.
Yeah, so in the beginning, you're going to feel kind of a little fatigued, tired, that kind of stuff. We're in the heat exhaustion stage. Hydration, getting in the shade, staying cool, kind of help prevent you getting that heat stroke stage. The heat stroke symptoms are going to be a little more severe. You're going to feel kind of altered, dizzy. Some people will stop sweating. They'll just be hot and dry. Those kind of things are going to be the concerning red flags. Sometimes they'll feel lightheaded, feel like they're going to pass out. Those are the big ones where you need to come here and see and get treated.
For many of us, when we start to feel that way, we start to panic too. At what point do we come to the emergency room and seek medical care from you?
Sure. Again, the big ones are going to be kind of the altered mental status, confusion, and when you kind of stop sweating, you'll see someone really hot and they're just dry. They're just kind of losing their function on how to cool themselves. Those are the big ones where they need to come in immediately.
And this, no joke, I mean, this can be deadly if you do not get medical treatment at some time, correct?
Correct.
Okay, let's skip on over to sunburns. And we're not just talking about your little bit of sunburn on your shoulders. This, serious sunburns can be dangerous as well.
Sure.
What do you recommend to prevent that? Obviously sunscreen, but what else?
Yeah, the common ones, sunscreen as much as you can and reapply. Long clothing can be helpful too. Hats, different things that kind of cover and block the sun. And just being aware how much sun exposure you have, try to get in the shade when you can. Those are the big ones that help prevent the bad sunburns.
All right, well, we appreciate you. Any other further advice you want to give to people right now about how to enjoy the outdoors safely in Florida?
Just the common things, stay hydrated, stay cool as best you can, wear your sunscreen, and have fun.
All right, thank you, doctor.
Not a problem.
We'll be right back.